Did NASA really land on the moon? After the space race finished, this question has ignited conspiracy theories and debates for decades. In July 1969, Apollo 11 launched with three astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Their mission? To make history. And this historic moment, when Armstrong first stepped on the surface of the moon, was watched by millions around the world. But could this monumental event have been staged? Let's explore the conspiracy theories and the facts that debunk them. Number 1. The shadows are wrong. Some critics argue that the shadows don't align in the photos, suggesting that artificial lighting was used. However, due to the moon's uneven terrain, the shadows cast create an illusion of misalignment. In reality, light behaves different on the moon due to its lack of atmosphere. Number 2. The rocks are fake. NASA has brought back 382 kilograms of rock from the moon, which have been studied by scientists all around the world and contain unique minerals that are not found on Earth. Number 3. Photographic anomalies. Some critics point out the photographic anomalies in the photos, for example, the flag's wavering appearance. And since the moon has no atmosphere and hence no wind, it should be impossible. But it was actually achieved by inserting a horizontal rod into the flag. Number 4. The Van Allen radiation belt. Some skeptics claim that astronauts couldn't survive passing through the Van Allen radiation belt. But in fact, mission planners have carefully calculated the trajectories to minimize exposure. And a common question is why we have not yet come back. Well, in reality, space exploration is astronomically costly and requires many resources. And after the Apollo program, the funding has shifted to other priorities. Currently, Artemis 3, a new project, has been developing, which aims to send astronauts to the moon in 2026, and they'll spend more time on the surface of the moon than any other human astronaut has been before. And finally, what do the Soviets have to say about this? During the tension of the space race, such an important matter of landing a man on the moon would be carefully observed by Soviet scientists. And if there would be even one opportunity for this whole event to be fake, they would for sure know about it. So, did NASA really land on the moon? From thousands of photographs to scientific analysis, the facts are overwhelmingly in favor of the moon landing being real. That was Rosanna Science. Until next time. And hence, we can all agree. Okay, cut. Where looks Sandy, Samunda.